YouTube, how's it going? It's your boy Bruce Rain. Something different, don't worry about it. Stuck my head out my car and then I came back in, it was gone. I don't know. I'm here to talk to you today about losing, and especially when you're trying to pass prop firm evaluations. You can be up and you can get a series of losses that'll just make you think you don't know anything. You put the time in, and you put the studying in, and then at the same time when it comes to execution, market does something totally different. A lot of us get caught up with trying to pass so much that we forget that the more pressure we put on ourselves to do something like that, the less positive results we'll see. I'm here to tell you that I too fell in that same category. And now I've had to reconfigure my brain to say, stop treating this like it's something that you have to do and start doing it as if it's just practice. Just practice. And leave it at that. Don't overthink it. Some of us out here are reaching towards this stuff because we don't have another choice. So what do? You put that in your trading, and then you start making stupid decisions. You're not alone. These are the things you're gonna have to battle every day. Some of the conversations I've had with people who do this full time, they tell me like, this is the part that you gotta go through. We all been there. It does something to you. And I try to be more positive on this channel, especially now. But I'm grateful that I got a roof over my head, I got food, and while this may be a low moment in my life, the day that I can smile again and be okay is on the way. And I hope that's the same for you too. I had to stop myself and just say, okay, you gotta reassess and you gotta try to regroup. And go for the small baseline hits. Don't go for the big home runs. And just do that. And then eventually you'll get there. So take that for what it is, especially if you're going through something right now and you're like, yeah man, whatever, it's good to be optimistic, but my reality sucks. You're not alone. I'm right there with you. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. And just know to keep pushing, keep fighting. Don't give up. Don't give up. I think we're closer than we think. Peace. Let's get it.